We're getting ready for our workout. Usually I don't go with all this makeup, but because I filmed today, I don't know. Should I take off this makeup or what?
I never wear makeup to the gym.
Me neither. I should take it off, huh? Let me go take it off.
Whatever, we're about to leave anyway, so.
I am using this air fryer to fry my chicken. It's gonna be kind of boring for you guys to like see us do all of our reps. So I'm gonna put some music on for you guys and just film here and there. And then I'll put it all together right after that. I'm about to make my sister feel like hell uncomfortable right now, so. She said that it was cool day, but I don't know. Everyone's just like looking at us in here. We're going up to 20. 20? Alright. Of your set, so like just for her not counting her own sets and not keeping track, I'm gonna make her do more. But I guess she kind of caught on. Hi. And I don't know. Huh? Oh yeah, no. Bye, good night. So we're done. I don't know if you guys like this video. Usually you guys, I don't wear makeup, but today I did.
Not me, I said, what makeup? Hi, this is just